Today we're going to put the new tube in the tire, get that tire installed, and change the light bulbs, or switch the light bulbs over from the dash to LED. And whatever else we can get to. Alright, it's the new tube. Take the cap off, take the nut off. I just want to make sure that the valve core is tight. You got to get this tube in. Now to make this tube slippery, normally you would put talcum powder all over it. But I'm not going to do that today. I don't have any talcum powder, so once you get that valve stem in, put the nut on it and snug it down. Now, I'll get the tube in here. I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of air in there. So I'm putting just enough air just to fill that tube up a little bit and get it to seat around the rim, you know, before I put the tire on. And that'll help to keep me, hopefully, from kinking it or puncturing the tube. I gotta lube this tire up. I'm gonna use soapy water like I always do. And we gotta line this tire up where it was. Okay. All right, now we're gonna fill her up. I filled it up to 40 psi. Tomorrow, I will check it again. If it's at 40 psi, I know I'm good to go. Then I'll drop it down. I believe this bike calls for 32 psi in the front tire. All right, tire's all set. I'm gonna put her on the bike. All right, I'm gonna tighten this up to 60 foot-pounds. And that's 15 foot-pounds. These are the LED bulbs. We're gonna take the dash lights out. And in case anybody's wondering, these are wedge base LEDs. I'll put a link to it down below if I don't forget. So you guys can, I don't know, get these if you're interested. So you're just gonna take the bulb and replace the old bulb. Just like that. And you're gonna put it right into the housing. I'll make these easy to slide in and out. Take some silicone, dielectric grease. Just coat the rubber, slide it right in. The only one you can't replace is the turn signal light. That one's going to stay. It's going to be a regular light bulb because the turn signal, when you turn right or left, it reverses polarity. So an LED won't work in there without modifying the dash. So now we got these bulbs in. I'm going to go ahead and just wipe this down a little bit. Clean it up a little bit. I like to use the dielectric grease on connectors and stuff. It's just a habit of mine. I've been using it for years, and it helps the connectors to not corrode, and it keeps moisture out of them. All right, to put this on is 3 clips and a clip on there. So let's get this on the bike. Positive side's gonna go first. negative side will go on. Now we're gonna test the dash lights. Wow, look at that. Pretty cool. Look how bright those lights are. I wonder if that light is on. I gotta check that bulb. All right, so I got that working. I guess I didn't have it in exactly the way it should have gone in. So I just took it out, put it back in, and started working. So I got blue dash lights. I just don't like how the light doesn't travel up to this section here as well as to where the lights are. But I guess that's just the design of the gauges. Anyway, they're blue. The LEDs are really bright. Big difference compared to the blinking light. Might be too bright. Alright, so dash lights are in. We're going to move on. For the running light, I'm going to put an LED running light. See if that works. Oh yeah. That's bright. Alright guys, I took the headlight out of the housing because the housing's looking pretty shoddy. And I think I'm going to have to give it a coat of flat black just to clean it up. I don't know, it just looks like the sun's beat it up quite a bit. So to protect the plastic and make it look decent, I'm going to coat it flat black, but I'm all out of flat black, so I can't do that today. Now the housing for the headlight, I went ahead and I sprayed silicone in here just to make these smoother or easier to turn, all the adjustment knobs. I went ahead and I went through the bike and I checked every single bolt that I could get to easily, make sure everything was tight. There was a couple here and there that were loose. So I just went through the whole thing and just made sure everything was good to go. Let me see if she'll start up. Hey, that's going to be it for today. As you can tell, it's dark out. It's nighttime. I don't even know what time it is. But anyway, got quite a bit done today. The dash is in, the LED lights for the dash, they're in. The front tire is back on. Tomorrow I'll check the pressure, make sure it's still at 40, then I'll know that we're good to go. All have a good night. God bless, and ride safe out there. Bye-bye.